Good morning, students. Welcome back to your physics class. This side Pooja Sharma, your physics teacher. I hope you all are fine, you all are healthy, doing well. Good morning, all the joinees. Welcome back. So, this class we are going to proceed on with the numericals. Chapters are all done, revisions are going on. We are going to proceed on with numericals. We are having today's regular class as well. In the previous class, we have done the definitions and the reasoning questions. In today's class, we are going to focus on two derivations plus the numericals. Numericals कोशिश करेंगे that we are going to cover a lot in this class. Fine. And in that class, which is around by 12 o'clock, we are going to do a little of numericals and more of derivations. If you have any doubt, any derivation you want to repeat, you can let me know. Okay? Hanji, so let's proceed on with the class. Please be ready with your notebook, with your pen. Okay, Ji. So let's write the first numerical onto your notebook. Please write down. A force of 100 Newton, a force of 100 Newton acting on a certain mass, a force of 100 Newton acting on a certain mass, force of 100 Newton acting on a certain mass for 4 seconds. For 4 seconds gives it a velocity of 20 meter per second. Gives it a velocity of 20 meter per second. Find the mass of the body if the body was initially at rest. Find the mass of the body if the body was initially at rest. I'm repeating the question for you again. A force of 100 Newton acting on a certain mass for 4 seconds gives a velocity of 20 meter per second. Find the mass of the body if the body was initially at rest. Go ahead. Anji bacha, so the answer to this question is 20 kilogram. I got many correct answers as well. सबसे पहले एक बार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं that how we are going to do this. Then I'm going to reveal those who have done it correctly. Okay. One given I left out here, not unknowingly but knowingly. ठीक है? वो था last point. At the last it is written the body was initially at rest. If the body was initially at rest, it means initial velocity is going to be 0 meter per second. This was written just in a sentence, so I just left it out कि बच्चे खुद देखेंगे खुद समझेंगे. Fine, but still you have done it very good. Good job. चलिए. So what we have to find out is we have to find out mass. मास का फॉर्मूला हमारे पास होता है फोर्स इज इक्वल टू मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन. फाइन. So mass you can find if you have force, if you have acceleration. Force you have directly, acceleration you don't have. But acceleration का फॉर्मूला आपको पता है. Acceleration is v minus u over t. Final velocity भी आपके पास है, initial velocity आपके पास है, time आपके पास है. So you can just put the values and you can get the answer. 20 minus 0 over 4, that is 20 over 4, that is 5 meter per second square. Fine. So acceleration you have is 5 meter per second square. Put the value and get the answer. Force is 100 is equal to mass into acceleration is 5. 5 multiplying here, this side it will divide. When you cancel it out, mass is 20 kilogram. Mass is 20 kilogram. Okay. Got the correct answer by many. The first one is given by Yuvraj, लेकिन युवराज आपने आंसर गलत कर रहा है बेटा. I hope it is clear to you now. Then after that, the first correct answer is given by Reva. Second is given by Mitali. Let's announce the third student also, but name is not written. Third is Gurnoor Singh from 9A. Vanshika ji, your answer is correct, but unit is wrong. इसका आधा नंबर कट जाएगा बेटा. Mass पूछा है ना बेटा, so it is 20 kilogram, not 20 meter. Fine. Good morning, Vikram. Okay, बच्चा. Let's proceed on with the next question. No problem, Abhijot. No issues. At least you are working from your end. Chale. Let's move on with the next question. Please write down. A body of mass 2 kilogram is kept at rest. A body of mass 2 kilogram is kept at rest. A constant force of 6 Newton start acting on it. A constant force of 6 Newton start acting on it. Find the time taken by the body. Find the time taken by the body to move through a distance of 54 meter. To move through a distance of 54 meter. I'm repeating again the question. A body of mass 2 kg is kept at rest. A constant force of 6 newtons start acting on it. Find the time taken by the body to move through a distance of 54 meter. Hanji, go ahead. Hanji bacha. So the answer to this question is 6 seconds. The answer to this question is 6 seconds. And the correct is given by Loveleen of 9A and Vikram B. Varun, आपने आंसर गलत दिया बेटा. Yours is 18 coming. But either you can show me your pick. Fine. Where you have done this. Let me check. Let me check where you have done it wrong. Hanji, so is the question clear? Many of you have not given the answer, so let me have it onto the board. अगर किसी को नहीं समझ में आया तो so they are provided you with mass आपको दिया था 2 किलोग्राम, ठीक है, which is kept at rest. स्टार्टिंग में क्या था, रेस्ट पे था. So mass is 2 kilogram. Starting means initial velocity is 0 meter per second because it is kept at rest. तो initial velocity कितनी हो जानी थी? 0. A constant force of 6 Newton start acting on it. Then you have a constant force of it on it for 6 Newton. Find the time taken by the body to move through a distance of 54 meter. Now if you have a constant force of 6 Newton, body displace करेगी and it cover a distance of 54 meter. You have to find out the time taken by it. Fine. So हमने क्या निकालना है, टाइम निकालना है. Which formula we are going to use? For time we have two formulas. One is v is equal to u plus at. उसमें भी टाइम आता है, लेकिन टाइम हमें given नहीं, and v भी given नहीं है. That is the final velocity. Fine, that is also not given. So we are not going to use that. Second you have is s is equal to ut plus half at square. S is given to you, u is given to you, time आपको find करना है, a भी आपको given नहीं है, but you can find that. क्यों? क्योंकि you have mass, you have force, and force is equal to mass into acceleration. So F is equal to m into a. यहाँ से a आ जाएगा F over m. F is 6, m is 2 and a is 3 meter per second square. तो आपको a की वैल्यू मिल गई. Put this value. S is 54, u है 0 multiply by t plus half into 3 into t square. Now just substitute t into 0, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा ना. So it is 54 is equal to 3 over 2 t square. Therefore t square is equal to 54. 3 over 2 उधर जाके हो जाएगा 2 over 3. Fine. You are going to solve it out. 3 ones are 3, 4, 5, 3 8s are 24. So it is t square is equal to 18 into 2. 18 into 2 को आप solve कर दो. 18 को हम लिख सकते हैं, we can have it as 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 और एक ये 2 पड़ा हुआ है. So t square is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 है ना. So square है, you have to take 2 as 1. t की वैल्यू निकालनी है. So t is equal to, एक आप 3 यूज करोगे और एक आप 2 यूज करोगे. That is 6 seconds. So this is your answer. Those who have not done it, please you can write it onto your notebook. हाँ जी, let's move on with the next question. Please write down. A 4 kilogram ball is thrown upward. Sorry. A 4 kilogram ball is thrown upward with a velocity of 20 meter per second. A 4 kilogram ball is thrown upward with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Find the potential energy at the maximum height. Find the potential energy at the maximum height and also find out the maximum height attained by and also find out the maximum height attained by the ball. Keeping g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Fine, so small g की value given है 10 meter per second square. You have to put that. I'm repeating the question once again for you. A 4 kilogram ball is thrown upwards with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Find the potential energy at the maximum height. Also the maximum height attained by the ball. Take g is equal to 10 meter per second square. हाँ जी, think on to this. बहुत easy question है. Just think and do it. Fine. हाँ जी बच्चा, is it done? हाँ जी बच्चा. So I got 3/4 of the answers. 1, 2 are wrong. ठीक है. First of all, let me share with you what is the correct answer. Energy has to be 800 joule and height has to be 20 meter. The correct answer is given by Vikram 90. Vikram, कोशिश करो. You are going to send the pic. Fine. You can send that later on, but must send. I get an idea that how you are solving it. Fine. Otherwise, your answer is very correct. Harjot, answers are also correct. 1, 2 answers I got wrong, so I have shared. I have just given remarks to those particular students. You can please work on to them. चलिए. So how we have to do this? मैं आपको hint दे देती हूँ for doing it. And you are going to solve it yourself. कहीं कुछ problem आए तो बता देना. Then we are going to revise it once again. So you have 4 kilogram ball. मतलब आपको mass कितना given है? Mass is given to you as 4 kilogram. Fine. Is thrown upward with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Initial velocity आपको given है 20 meter per second. Find the potential energy at the maximum height. You have to find out the potential energy at the maximum height. You know this one thing, whatever is the kinetic energy at the minimum level is equal to the potential energy at the maximum. ये दोनों same होते हैं. Why I have written this? Just to give you an idea कि कैसे potential energy find होगा. क्योंकि height तो given नहीं है. Fine, but still you have to find it out. So what you are going to do is kinetic energy at ground को find कर लो. That is same as that the potential energy at the height. Fine. फॉर्मूला क्या है? हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर, दैट इज हाफ एम कितना है 40, वी इज नो सॉरी एम इज 4, वी इज 20 एंड 20 का स्क्वायर, सो 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 into 20 square is 400, that is going to be 800 joule. Kinetic energy at bottom is 800 joule. It means potential energy at top is also 800 joule. मिल गया पोटेंशियल एनर्जी? ये पॉइंट समझ में आया ना? वी हैव डन दिस दैट काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज मैक्सिमम एट द ग्राउंड, और जैसे जैसे ऊपर जाते जाओगे काइनेटिक एनर्जी मिनिमम होती जाएगी, और कौन सी चीज मैक्सिमम होती जाएगी? पोटेंशियल. यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल क्या होता है? मिनिमम. तो ग्राउंड पे लेट से पोटेंशियल इज 0, काइनेटिक एनर्जी अपने ग्राउंड पे फाइंड कर ली, कितनी हुई? 800. सो टोटल कितना हो गया? 800. टॉप पे इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा, काइनेटिक एनर्जी डिक्रीज कर जाएगी, सो काइनेटिक एनर्जी 0. टोटल हमें चाहिए 800, तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कितना होगा? 800. गॉट इट? Now you have to find out the height also. Height अब find करना easy है. You have the formula of potential energy, that is mgh. Potential energy is given to you, m is given to you, g की value 10 होती है, you are already aware of it, and h you can just put and you can get the answer. Whenever you have any question like this, kindly keep this thing in mind. Kinetic energy at ground maximum, potential energy at ground minimum, and top पे उसका reverse हो जाएगा. Kinetic energy at top minimum, potential energy at top maximum. And because we know conservation of energy, so total is going to be conserved always. Okay, Ji. The time is very less. Let's write the next question. Fine. And you are going to write the question and you are going to solve it. And you are going to send the pic of that answer to me. जिसने सबसे बेस्ट आंसर किया होगा, I am going to share that onto the WhatsApp for everybody. Fine. चले. A ball is dropped from a cliff. Please write down. A ball is dropped from a cliff. CLIFF. A ball is dropped from the cliff. Find out A part, its speed 2 seconds after it is dropped. A part, find out its speed 2 seconds after it is dropped. B part, its speed when it is fallen through 78.4 meter. B part, its speed when it is fallen through 78.4 meter. And C part, the time taken in falling through 78.4 meter. The time taken in falling through 78.4 meter. I'm repeating the question again to remove your confusion. A ball is dropped from a cliff. Find out A part, its speed 2 seconds after it is dropped. B part, its speed when it is fallen through 78.4 meter. C part, the time taken in falling through 78.4 meter. Hanji. So this is your work. You are going to do this yourself. The time is not allowing to just continue this because your next class will also begin. Fine. So you are going to do this. Then after I receive 5-6 of the answers, I'm going to check and which one is the best. I'm going to share that onto your WhatsApp. Fine. So that you get the clarity. Don't rush with the question. I'm going to share it onto the WhatsApp by 10 or 11. ठीक है, जब आपको टाइम मिलता है कर लो, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, कर लेना, but then you can share it with me. Thank you so much. Any difficulty, any problem if you face, don't forget to text, don't forget to ask. Take care of yourself, take care of your family members. Your exams are coming, speed up. Bye-bye.